Want to know 10 common mistakes that home sellers make when they're trying to sell their homes? Avoiding these mistakes can save you time, money, and stress in the home selling process. So let's get to it. Mistake number 1, overpricing your home. It's important to price your home correctly based on the current market conditions and the comparable homes in your areas. Many sellers believe that they can set a high price and negotiate it down, but in reality, an overpriced home will turn off potential buyers and can result in the home sitting on the market for too long. Mistake number 2, neglecting home repairs. Before putting your home on the market, make sure to address any necessary repairs such as leaky faucets, broken windows, or damaged flooring. Neglecting repairs can give the impression that your home is not well maintained and decrease its value. If you're a buyer or seller of real estate anywhere in the United States, reach out to me as I will work for free to help locate you an excellent realtor who can provide top-notch service. Just email me. Mistake number 3, not decluttering and staging your home. A cluttered and messy home can turn off potential buyers. Consider decluttering, deep cleaning, and staging your home to make it more appealing to buyers. Mistake number 4, not working with a real estate agent. A real estate agent can provide valuable insight to the local market, help you with negotiations, and handle the paperwork involved in the home selling process, plus loads of other good things. Mistake number 5, not marketing your home effectively. Simply putting a for sale sign in your yard is not enough to sell your home. Work with your agent to create a comprehensive marketing plan that includes online listings, professional photography, open houses, and more. If you get any value from this video, please like and subscribe and share to encourage me to keep doing these videos. Thank you so much. Mistake number 6, being inflexible with showings. It's important to be flexible with potential buyers' schedules to allow them to view your home. If you make it difficult for buyers to see your home, they may lose interest and move on to another property. Mistake number 7, not disclosing known issues. It's important to disclose any known issues with your home, such as leaks or past repairs. It's also the law. Failure to disclose known issues can lead to legal trouble and tarnish your reputation as a seller. Mistake number 8, ignoring curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing potential buyers will see. Make sure to maintain your lawn, trim hedges, and add a fresh coat of paint if necessary to make a good first impression. Mistake number 9, not considering all offers. Even if an offer is lower than your asking price, it's important to consider all offers that come in. You may be able to negotiate with the buyer and reach a mutually beneficial agreement. Mistake number 10, getting too emotional. I know it's hard, but selling a home can be a very emotional process, and it's important to remain objective and not let your emotions cloud your judgment. Work with your agent to make rational decisions based on market conditions and offers received. If you made it this far, please subscribe and hit the bell notifications. Thank you for supporting my efforts at providing this information week after week. Have a great day.